Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to install software to hide your mouse pointer on your Raspberry Pi. So if you're running Magic Mirror or some type of display and you don't want your mouse to show, your cursor to show all the time, we're going to show you how to hide that. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we have it installed. So to do that, we will just type in the following. That's Unclutter. Alright, have it installed, but if not, just go ahead and install it. Next thing we need to do, depending on what operating system you may be using, you may not find the auto start directory. We have this command here. Then this is the one we're going to be using. I'll show you the other one that you may have to use. But once we're in here, all we're going to do is put the @ sign. Then we are just going to type out the software space dash idle. Then we're just going to put, we'll just say a 10-second delay, but you can make it whatever you want. Do a Control X, Y, and enter if you're using Nano. If you're using maybe an older version than what I'm using right now, you may have to use this one. But on this one, it doesn't show that the directory is not there. So either or, you may have to use this one or that one. But the same thing, once we're done, we're just going to do a reboot and we'll see if this works. So I'm VNC'd into the Pi, so we'll just let it connect here. See what happens. I have a keyboard here for that Pi that we're VNC'd into, and we'll see if the mouse pointer goes away. You may not be able to see it on the VNC screen, but at least I can tell you if it's going to work. Alright, so right now we have it up. We're logged in. Right there's the mouse, so let's see if it goes away. And there we go. So the mouse disappeared and we bring it back. Like I said, it's set on a 10-second, so you could do 5 or 0, whatever. But we'll wait here another 10 seconds and you can see that it will disappear. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.